This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com with a quick video as we see a market pullback ever so slightly. One of the themes that I've been discussing recently is this idea that if this market is going to see a pullback or a significant top or a generational top, be on the lookout. Now remember, S&P 500 right now trading on the right top corner of the chart. So most of the stocks that should be holding up decently enough should have been over the last couple years, the last year or so, moving higher. That should have been the trend in most stocks. But there is a slew of stocks that actually, in recent months, have changed direction and are making fresh lows. So these types of setups could actually eventually end up giving the new leadership on the way down. In other words, these stocks could have peaked way before the market eventually peaks. This is a problem if you own these types of stocks, because as the market starts drifting lower, even in a normal pullback or maybe even a serious pullback, these are going to be the new leadership during any general market significant pullback. Now, also don't forget, you want to be careful not to be holding on in any market environment, to be honest, where a stock is making a fresh 3-year low on the RSI or fresh 3-year low on the MACD. Not a good look. In fact, in this particular stock that I am highlighting here, not only are the RSI and MACDs moving to 3-year lows, we are also right now trading at all-time lows as far as the RSI is concerned, which in my book is a definite major red flag. And the MACDs are not too far off from also registering a move to fresh all-time lows. So the risk here is very high if the market pulls back, that these are going to be the new leadership on the way down. Now, what could save these types of stocks is if the market stays stable. So if the S&P 500 can hold and stay within this area, for example, if it can just hang around here, maybe even higher, as long as the market is stable, then a stock like this will find a nice support and ultimately will also find room to start building to the upside. So pretty much depends on what the market does. A major market move lower will break these stocks and they're going to be the new leadership. All right, so just be on the lookout for those types of setups. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace and blessing. I'll be back in the next video.